Hi everyone, this is Jeffrey. Today, I'm going to show you how to use if function in Google Sheets. Let's get started. The if function can be used as a single logical test. It allows you to make logical comparisons between a value and what you expect. So, an if statement can have two results. The first result is if your comparison is true. The second result is if your comparison is false. This is the syntax of if function. If, opening bracket, logical expression, comma, value if true, comma, value if false, closing bracket. Now, I'm gonna show you how to use if function in this case. I have a column name and a column score. The passing score is 60, so less than 60 will be failed, but starting 60 or greater than 60 will be passed. We can put an equal sign if, opening bracket, highlight the score of student 1, which is B2, and we can make a comparison using greater than and equals 60. Then we put a comma, then the value if true is pass. Don't forget to give an opening double quotation before the word pass and a closing double quotation after the word pass. Then we put a comma, an opening double quotation, value if false is fail, a closing double quotation, then put a closing bracket. So here we compare the student score. If the score is greater than or equals to 60, then show the result pass. But if it is not, show the result fail. Okay, we can use suggested autofill for the other ones. Next, I'm gonna show you how to use if function in this case. We want to accept the color if the name of the color is red, but we want to reject for the other names of color. We can put an equal sign if, an opening bracket, highlight the name of the color which is A2, put an equal sign, an opening double quotation, red, a closing double quotation, put a comma, an opening double quotation, accept, a closing double quotation, put a comma, an opening double quotation, reject, a closing double quotation, a closing bracket. We use suggested autofill to see the other results. Look at the last row. This word red is also accepted because Google Sheets will ignore the uppercase or lowercase. So, if we want to find the exactly same word, we can add an exact function inside the if function. I added this function like this. In the logical comparison part, I give exact, an opening bracket, the cell of the color name, which is A5, put a comma, give a double quotation, the word red with capital R, a closing double quotation, and a closing bracket. After that, we click enter. This will be rejected. So, after this, I will show you a little bit how to use an exact function to make you understand. Look at this example on how exact function works. We can put an equal sign, exact, an opening bracket, highlight the cell of text 1 which is A2, then put a comma, and highlight the cell of text 2 which is B2, then put a closing bracket. We can see an exact function can compare for every single character including uppercase and lowercase. The result is true if both of the texts are accurately same, but the result is false if at least one character is different. Next, I want to show you how to use nested if in this case. Nested if means there is an if function inside an if function. So, this is not if else, but if, else if, and else. Look at this case. If the student can get the score greater than or equals to 85, so that student can have grade A. But if the student can get greater than or equals to 70 until the maximum 84, that student can have grade B. The other condition is if the student can get less than 70. So that student will have grade C. Let's start writing the function. An equal sign, if, opening bracket, the cell of student 1 score, which is B2, greater than or equals to 85, comma, an opening double quotation, A, a closing double quotation, comma, another if, an opening bracket, the cell of students 1 score, again, which is B2, greater than or equals to 70, comma, an opening double quotation, B, a closing double quotation, comma, the last condition if less than 70. So, just put an opening double quotation, C, a closing double quotation, and 2 closing brackets because we already used 2 opening brackets. That's it. Nested if function works if we have more than 2 conditions. I hope you understand these examples of if function. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. To see more video like this, please consider subscribing. That's all for today. I hope to see you next time. Bye.